Hello, guys. I'm transforming my bathroom. We're going to take all this clutter and mess and transform it into something nice and neat like this. So just sit tight. Hello, guys. It's your girl, Miata. I am in the bathroom today, and this is what we're going to be trying to get organized, declutter, and just kind of bring some more, some vibes in here. It's pretty bare, as you can see. I actually used the other side of the bathroom, which I'll show you a very quick clip of. This is my husband's side of the bathroom. It's a lot better on this side. It's gonna let him do with it what he wanted to, which was not much. I actually only bought this for organization. I bought the acrylic cart. I actually meant to get two, but then Luca started walking and moving and crawling, so that's kind of not an option anymore. We are gonna have to figure out a better way to organize his side. My acrylic cart on my side is a lot sturdier, and it's also harder to get to because they have something blocking it. I might just have to get like a baby gate and put it in front of it. But we'll see. I'm just gonna try to clear off this countertop space a little bit, and then hang up. We don't have much art. There's not a lot of wall space in here either. So he does have like one little thing that he wants to go in here, which I'm thinking this is the only available space for it. Just like a weekly schedule minus one day. That's a long story, but it's a planner, like an acrylic sign kind of thing that I just kind of made really quickly for him. But I'm gonna just start by unboxing some of the things I bought from TEMU, just little organization items that are not too expensive, sort of like these, but a little bit cuter. And yeah, so we're gonna start by that. I'm gonna go ahead and do some unboxing, and then we'll come back in here and get this place put together somewhat. I'm not promising that it'll be amazing, but it's gonna look better than this. I can promise you that. So all of these products are from TEMU, and I bought black items. I thought that the color scheme should be like black and gray. At some point I will be updating the rugs as well, but for now we're leaving it as is. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this area, and you can just watch. Let this be a reminder to clean out your candles. It had a whole bunch of smut. I don't know. Just dirt from the smoke, okay? So just clean out your candles. I'm using a splash of bleach and a little bit of Dawn to clean the countertops. If you're wondering what this is, it's like a nose sinus cleaner. It flushes out your sinuses. So all these products came up to about like 50 bucks from TEMU. Of course, you have to have like that shipping time, so patience with that. So I'm just gonna place things where they should go. I got like a jewelry rack, which he has a lot of bracelets and stuff, like African Ghanaian bracelets. And then for the most part, he doesn't have a lot of stuff. So I'm just kind of gonna arrange them as nicely as I can. And if you see me pausing here, it's because I'm just trying to like visualize, like, does this look good? Is this like balanced? Is this aesthetically pleasing? That sort of thing. I forgot to pull these glasses out during the initial unboxing, but these diffuser glasses are also from TEMU. Great price for the quality. Like, I was so surprised at like how sturdy they were. They're only like $5.99. So I bought two, one for my side of the bathroom, one for my husband's side. I'm gonna be using this for like these leaves, which I got for $2.80 from Kroger. I'm busting out the 7-in-1 Nugo steamer that I just got. I did use this in my previous video, so check out my prior video where I rearranged the living room and organized it and updated it. But any chance I get to use this thing, I will. Now, this could definitely be considered flag on the play, so I apologize in advance. If you hate watching people clean toilets, fast forward this part. I just wanted to leave it in because it was part of the video. But me, myself, I actually hate, well, specifically dirty, dingy bathrooms, like in movies when they show gas station scenes. Like, what are we actually doing here? Now I can see the true beauty of this steamer because I'm using it properly, and I see the dirt that it's collecting from the floor. So I'm satisfied with that. All I need to see is a little proof. But I do go in with my Swiffer after, just because you can't use chemicals with the steamer, and I feel like you need some type of chemicals to really clean. I know I'm really freaking some of you guys out with these up close toilet scenes, but I do want to show you how I clean this, I don't know what you call this little screw thing with Barkeeper's Friend. And it really gets the rust away. I'm also using the, what is it called? Scrub Mommy to scrub it, and then like a lint-free cloth to clean up the residue. I created this acrylic planner, like a weekly schedule for my husband, just using Cricut Design Space. I'm missing a day of the week. Yes, there's only 6 days here because Sunday we rest. This video was meant to show you that you can update or jazz up your bathroom very cost effectively. You don't need to spend a whole bunch of money. If you know, you can use things that you already have to and add a little twist to it. These towels, for example, I already had those, the hand towels. And then the toilet paper rack, I got that from Etsy. It was like 30 something. This acrylic schedule, this weekly planner that I made was very cost effective. I already had these bath mats, and then I do plan to switch these things out in the future, but for now they work. This acrylic tray underneath the sink we can't use because of the baby, but at some point we will use that as well, and that was from Amazon. So you can jazz up your space, you know, using things from TEMU or Home Goods, and you can go little by little, just one step at a time, and then add on when you see fit. I have to turn off the lights here, show you what it looks like. I love how the candle kind of lights up that space. And then these little inexpensive leaves, like literally $2.80. But thank you guys for sticking with me to the end of the video. If you would like more content like this, I can show you how I update my side of the bathroom, just organizing really, maybe adding 1 or 2 things there. But if you would like to see that, drop it in the comments below. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and tune in. Again, I'm gonna be more consistent with content for you guys. Just, you know, bear with me. I do have a little baby, but I do plan to be more consistent. Let me know what you think about this bathroom update / you know, organization. What are some things you would do differently yourself? What are some things you did like? Just let me know in the comments below.